Monday. It's actually Monday. I'm filming this on a Monday. Good job, Ryan. So, what I want to do today is continue just cosmetically getting the interior looking nice again. The inside of the doors are less than stellar. The door cards had a piece of cloth over a certain area on the door, like right above where your arm would sit. And I guess it looked super nasty over the years, and the previous owner ripped it off. So I want to put something back there. A couple weeks ago, we had just redone the shift boot, and I have a lot of material left over. So we're gonna work on the door cards and see how that goes.
Well, to get started, we got to take the door off the car. So I found 4 bolts and took them all off. I didn't want to film these in like great detail because there's a lot of videos showing how to do it, which is what I also had to do, especially when trying to undo this little latch part. It was really tough. There's a trick to it. You can look it up. Once that was off, it was a matter of pulling the pins, getting the door off, and bringing the door inside, where we decided to trace the outline of like kind of that insert area and where it was going to go. Since we had traced out, cut out the shape, and we were ready to transfer those cuts onto our actual material. I don't know if this part was entirely necessary. I think I might try to do it without doing this next time I went ahead and did this, because we might redo them at some point down the line to make them look a little better than they ended up turning out. But that being said, just traced out our material here and gave it a cut. We ended up using this CRC spray adhesive. It worked really, really well in terms of getting everything to sit down. Follow the instructions, let it set a little bit. We got a little impatient the first time we did this and ended up having to do this door twice because we didn't want to be patient and let it actually sit the way it wanted to. And then cut out the little spot for the door handle, and we pretty much just let it air dry over the next 24 hours before putting it back on the car the next day. Pretty easy. Basically reverse your installation, put everything back together, and that was kind of it. It wasn't actually that challenging. So yeah, go do this.
Well, there they are. So, got them in the car. They look pretty good. They aren't perfect by any means, but for what we were dealing with, what it looked like beforehand and what it looks like now, I'm pretty dang happy with the results. Some things that I would do differently. I got a little bit of glue down here. I need to figure out how to get that off without hurting the plastic. And then I need just a touch more material in here. What we might do is get some black cord and just tuck it in this seam here. It'll clean that all right up. But the next thing we're gonna do is find out how to kind of clean that gunk off of the door, because we got a little messy. So I don't know. Let's look around the shop and see what I got. So I always like to start with the least aggressive method possible when it comes to cleaning stuff like this. So I'm just gonna start with some Simple Green. I am using the strongest concentrate of Simple Green, but it should be okay with this door. So it is coming off very slowly. I think it's more the friction than the cleaner that's getting this off. So I guess it's something that might just weather off over time. What I wanna do now is basically protect the surface. I'm gonna use a different cleaner, and we're gonna get this all kind of cleaned up really good. I'm just gonna do a quick pass over the rest of the door. Just all the high contact areas, make sure they get wiped down good. Okay, and now that we got this all clean, I want to protect it, so I'm going to use this 303 Aerospace Protectant. It is by far my favorite thing to use on the interiors of cars, and it just shines, protects, and it doesn't leave like the glossy or like greasy feel at all if you apply it the right way. It doesn't do it normally, but I like to apply it a certain way. So clean microfiber, you are going to take the product, spray it on your microfiber. 3 or 4 sprays will do the whole door. We'll give it a quick wipe over all of it. I would try and avoid the glass. Make sure everything gets coated. And then flip it to the dry side, and you're gonna kind of buff it off. And it's gonna leave you a really nice, clean look. And I'd say that's done. So, thanks guys for checking out the video. I've been working really hard on these. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a like or subscribe, we're really trying to build this channel, and it's free and it helps us out a ton. So If you could do that, I'd really appreciate it. Other than that, come on back next Monday for more MR2 content, and between then and now, who knows what might get uploaded. The STI has been going through a lot of changes, as you've seen, and we got even more videos coming from it, so stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you later.